What's I want today? I'm in Chow. I'm going to take you to this shop that's very famous among the locals for their fish head noodles and also bak kut teh. But if you ask me, they are more famous for their fish head noodles. Okay, so I park in this open air car park. It's 4 ringgit per entry lah. So this is how this place looks like. It's actually quite a distance to walk to the shop. The shop is actually goes to this straight. Oh my god, the road straight. How come I just lost my words? Go straight all the way, turn left, and you will find the shop. Down some more, okay? Look at these are the old houses. It's very old houses, and some of these houses has been converted into a commercial area. It's a cafe here, okay? And right now at the road is the hotel, and some of these houses also converted to a temple, like the one on my right here. It's converted to a temple, okay? And in front there's a cafe. So this old area has been revitalized. You will see a lot of these old school eateries here. This is not old school, this is already revamped. There's a warung. Call it warung, but it's a shop house. We are at Lorong Tiong Nam at Chow. So you get restaurants like this also. Cafes and restaurants like this. But today I'm taking you to a very old establishment. Oh, Kampong lah, okay, nice cafe. This is right opposite here is the hotel. Botec, STG Kuala Lumpur. Don't know what hotel, I can't remember. I don't know. It's okay, we have a budget hotel. Oyo there. This restaurant, it opens at night if I'm not mistaken. Aheng Food Corner. They serve very nice pork soup. It's at the side there. So the shop we are going is down there. You can see the parking is not very conducive at all. So I do not recommend you to park. Very hard to get parking. You have to park further a bit and then walk like what I did. Aheng Food Corner, I think the kitchen used to be here. Then they shifted to the shop. But it's been around for a very long time. So this is you see, this is a old time, a low cost apartment, right? Sometimes down there's a shop there. This is where we are going. So the land make it right smack in the middle of KL, make it very valuable. See these houses here, they are also cafes, right? Yeah, the left and right. Yeah, some of them there are people who are still staying here. Some they converted to a shop. See, there's cafes down there. This is called Chow. This part of Kuala Lumpur is called Chow. So, first house. Not to be confused with, there's a actually famous wet market at Chow wet market. Not to be confused with the Penang one, Chow Rasta in Penang. So that's where we're going. Tao Xiang, Kut Teh and Noodles. This is the place we're going. Okay. So this restaurant, you can see right, is located right underneath the old low-cost apartment. This is a shop apartment. So I'm inside the restaurant, very small restaurant, not many sittings. And the menu is also very simple. Yep, so this is my chrysanthemum tea. That's it. And that's it. It's an old restaurant, old establishment, very nice. Have a look at their menu. Okay, menu also very old school, all in Chinese. I can't even read. Lucky there's Google Translate and there's pictures. Thank God there's pictures. I really can't read. There's chicken feet also. There's many chicken feet. The braised egg. waiting on a friend, then we can order. Okay, so this is what we ordered. Fish head noodles. This is a portion for 2. And then there's a bak kut teh, portion for 1. With some yu kwai and also the lettuce lah. So now I'm gonna stir the fish head noodles. Okay, look at this. So nice. This is their signature dish, the fish head noodles. So I have some fish head noodles here in my bowl. Let's try. So now try the fish head noodles. Wow, the taste, can taste the sour pickle and then the nice. Oh, this is good. This is good. There's the pieces of fish here. There's the pieces of fish. Nice. The soup, right? You can see it's white, because they add, if I'm not mistaken, it's milk, a bit milk. If I'm not mistaken, then put some noodles together with chili if you want, but I think this is very good on its own. No need to add any chili. That's my opinion. Okay. And there's some salted pickled vegetable here. Very good. Now for the bak kut teh. Bak kut teh, I was just gonna try the soup first. So there's a bak kut teh soup here. Slightly mild. I'm used to the strong one, the herb strong, but this is good. This mild is good. Very good. One thing about these dishes, like these two dishes, especially when you go out, you need to eat it hot. Once it's cold, the taste runs not nice. So that's why you see when people eat on the table, especially the Chinese people, they don't talk. They just enjoy the food because it's hot and nice. Alright. This is so good. I'll put the yu kwai a bit. So what you do with this yu kwai, you usually will dip it in the soup, right? And then have it. Wow. Let it absorb all the soup. Let it absorb all the soup, and all the flavors are there. Okay. Continue my lunch. So if you are around the corner in Chow, I'll leave the address down below. Come to Tao Xiang, bak kut teh and noodles, and fish head noodles. Alright, you won't regret it. Very nice. Come early because there's a lot of people and the seats are limited. Okay? Bye.